Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike, and we are back to our latest analysis for this weekend, beginning today, Friday through Monday, January 7 to 10, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. It looks like we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon, but it's only limited across the areas of Taiwan, the southeastern coastal areas of China, and it's also affecting the Batanes Group of islands. So the monsoon will only be there for the next couple of days before we have another weakening of this system over to the Bicol region, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Visayas, and the areas of Surigao del Norte, Dinagat, Surigao Islands. They will be under the influence of the northeasterly surface trade winds, and these areas will have cloudy conditions with light to moderate breeze of 15 to 35 kph, and there will be some passing drizzles to light rain showers, particularly in the afternoon or evening. And all the portions of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, cooler, sunny to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and possible thunderstorms. But so far at this time, we don't have any significant thunderstorms all throughout the country except for the areas of eastern Bicol region. We are going to show to you in a while. And we still have the near equatorial trough to the south of Mindanao. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclone in sight for the next 5 to 10 days. So it's all the Northeast Monsoon. There's a forecast for next weekend. There will be another surge of Northeast Monsoon that could envelope the whole of the Philippine Islands. So we could expect some windy conditions, cancellation of shipping or fishing activities because of the large waves generated by this monsoon. Okay, so watch out for that. So that's our latest GovSat. Let's take a look at the fast animation. So all the Philippine Islands is somewhat quiet. And if you take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, this is the satellite loop beginning around 3 p.m. until 9 p.m. this evening. As you can see, there are lots of low-level cloudiness generated by the northeasterly surface wind flow here over the Bicol region, portions of the Visayas, portions of Mimaropa, and there are some small thunderstorms that could bring some rains over the northern portions of Cebu, as well as here along the island province of Catanduanes. So far, it's been good all throughout the country, except for some isolated thunderstorms in some areas of Zamboanga Peninsula and over the western sections of Soxagen. And if we take a look now to our forecast rainfall accumulation until Monday, this is from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. We expect still some showers, some rainfall activity to occur across the Batanes and portions of Babuyan Islands for the next 3 days because of the Northeast Monsoon, and also some isolated rain showers along the eastern sections of Visayas and along Surigao, Dinagat Islands, including the northern coastal areas of Surigao del Norte. All throughout the country, it will remain fair with cloudy skies with small chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Now, if you take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model for today until Monday. So today we have here the new surge of the Northeast Monsoon affecting Batanes and northeasterlies over the Bicol region, Visayas, portions of Mimaropa, and the portions of northeastern Mindanao. By tomorrow, Saturday, the northeasterly surface wind flow will start to weaken, and the Northeast Monsoon remains across the Batanes, Pabuing Cubao Islands. And on Sunday, the northeasterly surface wind flow will continue to weaken a bit, but still being some busy conditions across Visayas. And the Northeast Monsoon over the Batanes will start to retreat more to the north and only affecting the northern portions of the South China Sea and the West Philippine Sea, as well as the areas of Taiwan Strait, Taiwan, and the coastal areas of southern China. So it will be a 3-day quiet weather beginning today until Monday. Now on Monday afternoon, the Northeast Monsoon will still be affecting the Batanes Group Islands, and some light northeasterly trade winds across the eastern sections of Luzon, including Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, and northern or even northeastern Mindanao. So that's relatively quiet for the next 3 days. While over the Calayan Island group, there will be some windy conditions because of the Northeast Monsoon. And so far, we're still on the extended break of the monsoon, particularly along the central portions of the Philippines down to Mindanao. And if we take a look at the rain forecast day by day, okay, or day to day, by tomorrow afternoon, there will be some light showers across the eastern sections of Luzon, including Bicol region and portions of the Visayas. Also on Sunday, becoming more frequent along the Batanes Group because of the Northeast Monsoon. And on Monday, it will start to weaken over the Batanes Group of Islands. So overall, the weather conditions across the Philippine Islands is good, sunny to cloudy with isolated rain showers and low chances of thunderstorms, particularly across Visayas and Mindanao. So we will be having some good weather until Monday. And so far, that's the latest for this weekend. Again, we'll be returning on Monday, January 10, to give you the very latest on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.